Find or read reviews that people are talking about Philips S1209 portable Bluetooth speaker, wireless speakers with extra bass. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Superior sound. The bass you get from this compact little speaker is fantastically rich and punchy. With the touch of a button you can stop your music and take an incoming call. Keep your hands free and hear your caller's voice clearly every time. Pair for stereo. Stream your rich, deep, and clear media sounds from your device via Bluetooth. You can easily connect two identical speakers together for fantastic 360 degrees stereo sound. Hear your music the way it was meant to be heard. Get louder and clearer. With 10-watt maximum power, this Bluetooth speaker fills the room with deep, thumping bass. Even when you're out and about, you won't miss a beat or a word. Bring your favorite sounds out with you whatever your plans are for the day. Party all day. This reliable little speaker won't let you down when you need it. Fully charge with the included USB-C cable for up to 12 hours of continuous play time. The handy carry strap design means you can take this portable Bluetooth speaker anywhere. IPX4 water resistant. This tough little speaker is ready for a day outside. An IPX4 rating means that the speaker can handle splashes from rain or sweat so you can relax and carry on listening. Perfect for biking, hiking, camping and other activities. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.